1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, me G, them a jam. Trouble. Today we there now. Old Harbour town, bro. And we're gonna do a bag of thing, you see me? Oh, what's up, guys? We're here in Old Harbour Market. You see me? We're there in a Old Harbour Market. And we're there with the star again. Christine, we have to take up a job for me for Christine. Christine, you know Christine, start them style, Christine.
Stop now.
For Bill, Christine. You see me?
Bro, man, tell us that they want that kid that is asking them to see them look like.
Yo, Biggs, come here.
Hey, dog.
The dog got chopper, you know, yo, tell him any of Biggs.
Leandre.
Huh?
Leandre.
Huh?
Leandre.
So we're there with Leandre, you see me? And Leandre, which grade is?
7.
Grade 7?
Yeah.
Alright, so what you know today we are doing? The celebrity lookalike challenge. That really I do, you know. That's it. So we want to know is which celebrity you feel like you look like?
The Rock.
Huh? Huh?
The Rock.
Bro?
Rock Johnson.
You feel like you look like The Rock? So you have to go take a picture. You have to go take a picture and show somebody else, you know. You know that? You have a bad pose. Alright, Biggs. Yo, connect it up. Who we there with today?
Kiara.
Huh?
Kiara.
Alright, Kiara. And today we are doing the celebrity lookalike challenge. Someone asks you which celebrity, as a matter of fact, which celebrity do you think this guy look like? Which celebrity do you think you look like?
Look at mackerel in our way.
To my bad night family them. We're not gonna see me strive.
Mackerel?
Fan, TikTok.
Alright, and which celebrity you feel like you look like?
Rose Dan.
Now watch the man, you know, say after them there, how they with? Alright, Mari, I have one picture of one girl. I want you to tell me who you feel like that girl you look like.
Me, mom. Rose Dan.
Just say Shensi for so how Shensi and Rose Dan for favor.
I know dog.
So one girl look like Rose Dan to you, alright.
No, that should look like Candy dog.
Candy,
Yeah.
which one?
Brown one.
Me like bull and pear, me like mackerel and rice, you know. Me like sardine and rice too.
Alright, so we're going to take a picture of you, you know. Where's your name, Mari?
Yeah.
Alright, Mari, we're going to take a mad picture.
My rat butt.
What?
My rat butt.
Alright, Mari, rat butt.
Alright, my
Rat
rat
butt
butt.
over there. Which celebrity you think you look like?
Somebody.
Huh? You look like somebody? Like who?
Somebody.
Name somebody.
George.
Really, George really? Who is that?
Me.
Your name George really? Alright, take smile.
Smile. Big up George really.
Yo, we're there just now with the Old Harbour.
Yeah, bad boy.
And the man next to me pen taxi man enough fuck. No girl, that's it. That's the man them saying bro. Me pen man enough fuck. No girl, me pen taxi man them now. No girl I get charged, you see me? So right now, we there upon the me pen stand, I'm just showing say a pay girl in there me pen stand. No girl me not see that them stand and car. No see that them do. What you say? Me pen? Man I say me pen taxi man now. No girl dog. That's the man was saying no. I'm here chat to. Remember me know you know me can't. Remember you original me pen taxi man. Me can't say that. Yeah, John. Remember the man the original me pen taxi. Yo, as some man boy them a cool charge, no matter how they here want pretty my friend. Turn up yourself. No matter how some man here want pretty my friend, they can't get girl like some Bannister taxi man, like it's Spain taxi man them cause. Me pen taxi man, me not see them going nut dog, and when they hear pretty dog. And when they play them a cool dog.
Bro, it's an active ball game, isn't it? Hey, it's like when they get the from, me tell them up epic and the way the green and let because I go do that is strong in my career. It explode like a bomb. You have to send a 100 pound across to the Mexican. Just lad, now left out the Asian, here is man around, man a war, man a done. Me pray and meditate and make time make decision. Man fit the mission, 2020 vision. Phoenix, active and up pitch and a new king artisan. Can't stop me flow because I'm always self-driven. Active.
Body.
Give me the artist name, bro. Give me the artist name.
Yeah, artist name.
Like that, and give me the name.
Play active, isn't it? One active,
One active. Yeah, man. Everything are active boss.
Active.
Active boss, you know, man. Connect.
Sorry, face on.
Alright, man. So we're there with me general, you know, one every day in my town, you know, for you know Old Harbour, you have to know every day. You look, go look at my friend, go look at my bro. So today we are do a celebrity lookalike challenge, you see me? So I'm going to show you one picture of somebody, and you tell me which celebrity you feel like that person look like. Which celebrity you feel like this guy look like?
Which one here?
This guy right here.
Which celebrity?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me look at his face. What a boy the name again, man? A Hollywood man. What that motherfucker the name, man? In favor of him weak, you see. Oh my God. My long time black actor, man. What the fuck are her name? James Gossage. James Gossage. One black actor, American black actor, named Lou James Gossage. This boy I favor him. I'm an international celebrity. I've been all over the fucking world. I grew up in Canada, England. I know things. This guy looks like him.
Alright, I look at which celebrity you feel like you look like now? Yeah.
Alright, I look like Wesley Snipes. When I go to England, everybody say, oh, yeah, Wesley a family.
Put up the camera.
Yeah.
Wesley look like? Wesley Snipes.
Yeah, they even gave me the name Mikey Snipes in England, in the streets of London. Yeah, because they say I look
So you say you are England blood?
Yeah, I was in England.
Where in England? Stratton?
I did over Stratton, Brixton.
Liverpool?
No, I did Birmingham, I did Nottingham, I did Stanbridge. What's
Pero mi cali soro malero?
Ebe kamba mo ampe fit.
Seramo kare doro marelo?
Ebe mana video no nya shani ma en kubai.
Seramo kele or sero. Sero. Kera ka samalalan?
Mo ti agi me fi video yo.
Tela mo tolo ko metala. Tela mo ko tolo melana. Tela ko samala melo. Bala. No, ya na fina pas.
Yeah man, we must have market sound going more now.
Famous YouTuber boy that. Bumbleclad, that name yes. Bumbleclad. Hey boy, come take me no man, boy.
Chill, I got a girl.
Alright, now what celebrity would you Yeah, me need Watch it on now, so which celebrity you feel like? This and you look like who? Alright, and which celebrity you feel like you look like?
Here we're going. That's
Raja
That's how I'm drawing this, dog. You see it?
Dog, if
See,
you're
I'm not
Raja
here very much.
Yo, show me if you're Raja Wild. You get it. Yeah, that name is there.
I'm sorry. Interview Raja.
Easy, Raja. Ready?
So what you know, cause? More, I dog right side of you still with the ask which celebrity you think in favor, you see me? So yeah, so which celebrity you feel like in favor?
You know,
Which celebrity?
I give to Nigeria, you know.
You don't favor Nigeria. And which celebrity you feel like you favor?
Boy, people then don't know me as Raja Wild already, you know. So.
Who can't see your face, Raja? Just say Raja. Alright, dog, say you're Raja. We have to take a picture, dog. We'll take a picture, dog. Give me 2 bills. Give me look at 2 bills. Dodge, Spanish dodge. I just want 2 bills, bro.
Bossa!
What's on your doing? Gonna do a little student. And the student to get all that question and correct. Get the same gonna see.
Stop the cap.
He might give you 10 grand. Real thing, he might give you 10 grand.
No, I'm a camera, I can't dead.
$100 bed? No $100 per bed? How much is that? Yeah? For one? Sana makan itu kalau mana lo? Yeah? Sana makan lo. What is the capital of Russia?
Me bomba.
Tell me your opinion. Which celebrity do you think you look like?
Like, celebrity, what do you mean not celebrity?
Huh?
Go talk to me now, what do you mean not celebrity?
Huh?
What do you mean not celebrity? What do you mean not celebrity?
Famous, like everybody know them.
Champa, no. What on it? When you can't get the one in the dark. David Sham?
You look like Baby Sham.
Yeah.
Alright, and which celebrity would you say you look like?
Maroon of Maroon of Marcus Garvey.
Alright, my boss. Hold up, yeah? We are doing the celebrity lookalike challenge today, alright? So, which celebrity would you say this guy looks like?
Goldie Bob.
Claude.
And that's the final answer? And that's the final answer? Yeah. Alright, and what celebrity would you say you look like?
Spice.
Like Spice? Show them your face. Alright, Spice. Let's go. Bro, everything, bro. TikTok, everything in a Friday. You go listen to a video of them. We say Finch and Jane. So, bro, you don't know. December 31st. What you say? Finch and Jane, cause boy. Want to jump out. Bro, you didn't even tell me, say, yo, you're doing that thing, bro. I see our DJ girl is funny thing, you didn't even contact. Name all of them now, me hear you, so you know you say, come.
Alright, Norman Manley, Buster Manty, Sam Sharp, Nani, Garvey, Marcus Busterman.